Good morning, students. Students, in 12th semester, we are having one practical, that is nothing but electrical workshop lab. Okay. Nowadays, you are sitting at your home, so therefore we are uploading some videos of a number of experiments. So today we are considering first experiment. Okay. So what is the basic aim of electrical workshop? As you know, the workshop is nothing but जहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं ना, we are doing some work, we are making some things, we are designing something, we have to study each components of your electrical equipments. Okay. So therefore, your first experiment is basically considering having number of equipments which are used in the electrical workshop. Okay. So first experiment is you have to study and draw the electrical components and their symbols in a sheet. You have to make one sheet, and at that sheet you have to draw some components. Some components in the sense you can draw minimum 50 components, or you can say the symbol of that component. So just go through this. This is our experiment number 1, in which you have to study the electrical symbol and you have to draw it. Here it is just written study the electrical symbol, but you have to draw on this empirical sheet. So this is type of a sheet, you have to draw the symbols. Now what are the different symbols are present in the there? So you have to draw the electrical symbols, you have to write down the descriptions of minimum 10 to 20 symbols. That means there is one criteria. In a sheet, you have to make a sheet. In that sheet, you have to draw near about minimum 50 symbols. Okay, electrical components are there, you have to draw the symbols of that electrical components. Now, after that, you have to explain you have to give the description of the symbols. Near about 10 to 20 symbols you have to explain, you have to describe. So this is your first performance, or this is your first experiment you have to perform. So what are the different symbols, or what are the different electrical equipments? Just for an example, one resistor, then voltmeter, ammeter, earth tester, then insulators, cables, then capacitor, inductor, plus your windings, transformer. So these are the nothing but DC motor, DC generator. So you have to draw, you have to study this particular component, and after that you have to draw the symbol. Now how to draw the symbol and how to write down the description of that particular symbols or electrical equipments. Now see here, this is one sheet. In this way you have to make one sheet. So this is one sheet. So you have to make number of symbols. So this is number of symbols which is present. So just like this, main switch board without switching lightning. So this is the symbolic representation of main switch board without lightning. Then second is main switch board with switch lightning. मतलब main switch board है, अब switch lightning हो गया. So this is the symbolic representation of this. So if you study, if you see this particular chart, if you see this particular sheet, you have to draw in this way. You have to consider the electrical equipments which are present in your electrical workshop, or which are present in your electrical side, electric engineering you can say. So number of components are there, and these are the symbolic representation of the component. After that you have to describe this particular symbols, or you can say you have to explain these particular symbols. Just like in a capacitor में दो plate रहती है ना, potential barrier is there. So you have to explain these particular symbols or symbolic representation. Okay, so if you see this, you will consider, जैसे for an example, this is a power factor meter. So power factor meter, it is denoted by cos phi. Then phase meter, denoted by phi. Just I am telling you one thing, that is an energy meter. So this is nothing but the energy meter. This is the digital energy meter, and you have to make a symbolic representation of this energy meter in this particular sheet. Secondly, if you are considering a tester or insulator, so this is a one kind of insulator. So this is a one kind of insulator. You have to make a symbolic representation of insulator in this particular sheet. So that means in your first experiment, you have to study the particular electrical equipments, plus you have to describe that electrical equipments with a symbolic representation and your description. So in this way you have to make a sheet. You have to submit this sheet after coming to the college. Okay. So this is a empirical sheet. You have to draw this. You have to explain the symbolic representation, you have to explain it, you have to describe it, and then you have to submit it. So this is your first experiment in which you have to study the different components, electrical components. So this is our first experiment. in which you have to study the different electrical components or different things which are related to the electrical side, and you have to draw the symbols of this. So this is first performance experiment, that is nothing but study, and you have to draw the symbolic representation of different electrical elements. Okay.